I also welcome senior officers from the armed and paramilitary forces.
Our tranquility will bring forth the best in you.
I extend my warm greetings to all of you on this special day when we celebrate the statehood and foundation day of Meghalaya. Manipur, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. This day reminds us for the rich diversity and unity that makes our nation strong. This kind of programs, according to me, it will allow us to, or else it will remind us to know our history, our cultural background, our spiritual background, our social background, more than that, our historical background. For Meghalaya, this day reminds us of the inspiring Hill State movement and the contribution of our freedom fighters who stood for justice, self-respect and democratic rights. Manipur and Tripura carry a glorious legacy of ancient culture and brave traditions. Uttar Pradesh has been the heart of India's freedom struggle and nation building, while Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu reflect the spirit of resilience and progress after their integration with the nation. We represent the many colors, language and traditions that makes India strong and beautiful. All these states and Indian territories are moving on the path of development. Meghalaya has emerged as one of the fastest growing economies in the country, with consistent progress in education, particularly health and infrastructure, agriculture and women-led enterprises. Our tourism also includes in that way Manipur is shining in sports, culture and connectivity. Tripura is advancing in industry, that too particularly bamboo and rubber sector. The digital services also includes in that way. Uttar Pradesh is becoming a major center of investment, expressway and new opportunities for youth. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Diu and Daman growing as important hubs of trade, manufacturing of tourism. These achievements show the power of good governance of the people's participation. At the same time, the development must be caring, inclusive. We must ensure that progress reaches our village, farmers, workers, women and young people, protecting our environment, forest, rivers and traditions equally important for our safe future. On this special day, I appeal to everyone to strengthen the spirit of peace, harmony, and brotherhood. Let us respect one another, work with honesty, and contribute in our own way to progress our society and our nation. I once again convey my sincere greetings to the best wishes to the people of Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, and Uttar Pradesh, and Dadar and Nagar Haveli, and Diu and Daman. May this region contribute and continue to grow with prosperity, dignity, and unity. And apart from that, based on the invitation given by the Lok Bhavan of Meghalaya, all our respected ministers and all the officers belongs to defense and rest of the other officers and many of the students, you people had come and participated. So in that way, we are very grateful to all of you. I once again, thanks to all of you, Kubli, Mithila, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.